In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord microphone volume too low. If people keep saying you're quiet on calls, don't worry. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in Discord to raise your mic level and confirm it's working. Start by opening Discord. In the bottom left corner, click the little gear icon to open user settings. This is where all your app preferences live, including your audio controls, so everything we need will be here. On the left sidebar, select Voice and Video. This page handles your voice input and output. It's the control center for your microphone, and a quick visit here usually fixes low volume issues. Now look for the option that lets Discord access your microphone and click it. If your system shows a permission prompt, choose Allow. Granting access is essential. If Discord can't reach your mic directly, it might only receive a very weak signal or none at all. After allowing access, give the app a second to recognize the device. Next, find the input volume slider. This slider controls how loud your microphone sounds inside Discord before it's sent to your friends. Drag the slider toward the right to increase your volume. Make steady, small adjustments rather than jumping straight to the maximum. Too high can make you sound distorted or harsh. Aim for a clear, strong voice without crackling. To hear how it sounds, click Let's Check. Speak in your normal voice the same way you would during a call. Watch the level indicator and listen to the playback. You're looking for a confident, audible level that doesn't clip at the top. If it still sounds too quiet, nudge the input volume higher and try again. If it's too loud or fuzzy, pull the slider back a bit. You can repeat this test as many times as you need until it feels just right. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth, about the width of your hand, so it picks you up clearly without picking up breathing. Make sure nothing is blocking the mic opening, and try to reduce background noise while you test, since a noisy room can make you sound quieter by comparison. Once you're satisfied with how you sound in Let's Check, you're good to go. Close settings, hop into a call, and you should notice a clear improvement. That's all it takes. Open user settings, go to Voice and Video, allow mic access, raise your input volume, and verify it with Let's Check. Thanks for watching and enjoy clearer conversations on Discord.